Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kanpal. Class 4, what's the date today? Today is 21st August 2020. So, class 4, your chapter number 4, formatting text in MS Word, and open your book, page number 62. Today we will start firstly activity and fill it your book. First state whether these statements are true or false. Students, order of items is important in a numbered list. Yes, it's true. Next, second paragraph is a piece of text written pressing the space bar. No, it's false. It's not a piece of text. Third, there are three types of alignments that can be set for the text. False. It's false because there are four types of alignments. Okay. Center, left, right and justify. Okay students. We cannot change spacing between two paragraphs. It's false. Okay. Next, last, fifth student. Typed paragraphs can also convert it into a bulleted list. Yes, it's converted. So it's true. Okay, student. So fill it properly true and false in your book. Class 4. Firstly, open your MS Word. And today we are going to start a practical of creating bulleted numbered list. So we can see how to create bulleted and numbered list in MS Word. So let's start, students. So firstly, students selected all the paragraph and after just click a home tab, and next is you can see this is a bulleted list. Next, just click and you can choose in maximum number of bullet. You can choose anything. Just click number first and click. You can see this is a bulleted list. Okay. Next option is available numbered list. Okay, numbering. So start a numbered list. Click the arrow to choose different numbering formats. So just click a numbered list and you can see number of options are available in a numbered list. 1, 2, 3 and ABC etc. small and caps letter available in a numbered list, and you can just click. You can see this is a numbered list in MS Word. Okay students. So students, class 4th, next practical is your applying borders and shading to paragraph. How to apply border and shading to paragraph in MS Word. So firstly student, just click in a page layout. Okay, then page layout, you can see a page border. Okay, just click a page border and after you can see dialog box will be appears. Border and shading both are. Okay, and you can apply firstly border. Just click border. You can see setting. In a setting options, many options are available here. First, none, box, shadow, 3D and custom also. Next, firstly we can click a page border and you can choose a style. Different types of styles are lines in a page border, and you can apply anyone and choose anyone in this option. Next, you can see next is a box and you can apply in this both. Next, shadow and 3D options are available in a borders in MS Word. So firstly you can see, just click a page border and choose anyone in this. So I'm going to choose this one and just click OK. After you will click a OK button and you can see this is a whole page border in MS Word. And next we can choose next shading. So student, just click again page border and dialog box will be appeared. Then next is a shading. Just click a shading and you can see in a shading fill different types of colors. Okay, in many different types of color you can choose. Just click and you can see this is a purple color. And next is a patterns. Okay, patterns are also given in this dialog box. So firstly styles and next is a clear option. Okay, we can apply the styles and
many percentage of options are available in this. 40%, 85, and next horizontal, vertical, diagonally, etc. All our options are available in a style. Okay. Then you can see a next clear option. You can clear all this, and we can apply just shading. So just click shading option and click any one color and choose. Okay. And then after you will click OK. So you can see a shading in this paragraph in MS Word. So class 4, this is your practical of related in MS Word, creating bulleted numbered list and applying border and shading to paragraph. So student, do practice at your home today's practical bulleted and numbered list, and after you will practice applying borders and shading to paragraph in MS Word. Okay students? Class 4, your chapter number 4, formatting text in MS Word. In last class, students, we learned about this topics: changing the font color, text effects, second, highlighting text with colors, changing text case, clear formatting button, and paragraph formatting in Word 2010. And we learned in last class, students, changing the font color to accordingly piece of text in a document and to make it stand out. So we can change properly font color. To use click on the font color drop down arrow and font color pattern will appear. And you can also change the color of a piece of text in a document. And we learned also applying text effects. Text effects button in the font group allow us to apply different effects to the text in a document. And highlighting text with color means of the font group allows you to highlight a piece of text in a document, and just as a highlighter will do. Okay. And highlight color button open the home tab. And we learned also in last class paragraph formatting in Word 2010. A paragraph is a piece of continuous text written without pressing the enter key. So student, class 4, today we are going to discuss about creating bullet numbered list. Second, applying border and shading to paragraph. Next class, let's recall and terms to learn. So let's start students. Number first, student, creating bulleted numbered list. Means a bulleted list is a point-wise list of items where each item is preceded by a bullet mark. And this type of list is used for listing items when the order of the appearance of items in the list is not important. And other than side, a numbered list is a point-wise list of items where each item is preceded by a number. So a numbered list is used when items in a list must appear in a particular order. So students, see properly. First figure is show a bulleted list. Okay, so you can see a bulleted list, dot 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 options. Okay, and next, other than side, below side are numbered list. 1, 2, 3. Numbering form is a numbered list. Okay, students. Now, student, next, the steps to create a bulleted or numbered list are as follows. Let's discuss one by one. Number first, bring the cursor to the position where you want to start creating a list. Second, click on the bullet or numbering button in the paragraph group of the home tab. Next, the first bullet or number mark will appear at the cursor position. Okay. Then third step is type the first item in the list and press the enter key. You will get the next bullet or number in the next paragraph. Then fourth, continue to type the items and press the enter key after each items. Okay. We can follow the same as it is. Bulleted or numbered list are as follows. Okay. Same as it is. Both are applied continuously the all steps one by one. Okay, students. So, student, you can see a properly applied to a bulleted list, and we can choose any one, means anything you can choose a bulleted or numbered. Okay, both are we can use in MS Word. So student, next topic is your applying border and shading to paragraphs. So a border is an outline around a paragraph or a page in a document. So shading is the color filled inside the border behind the text. Border and shading are used for giving a distinctive look to a piece of text in a document. So the steps to apply a border and shading to a paragraphs are as follows. So number 1 steps are student, select the required paragraph. Second, open the home tab and in the paragraph group, click the border button drop down arrow. So third, from the menu that appears, select the borders and shading option. So this will open by the borders and shading dialog box. Then next, fourth, click on the borders tab. Then select the setting box for the border, then select a line style for the border, then select a color for the border. 8th step is your select a width for the border line, then 9, click on the shading tab. So student, this is a border and shading dialog box. You can see properly borders, page border, shading, all our options are here available, and we can choose anything. Okay, we can choose any one in this: none, box, shadow, 3D, custom, etc. And after we will apply choose and we will click OK button. Okay. Then student, next you can see next is a select a color for the shading and click on the OK button, and the border shading will get applied to the selected paragraphs. Okay, this is a figure of dialog box of borders and shading. Okay, and next picture is showing choose a properly border and shading and color applied in this form. So student, you can also apply border and shading to a selected paragraph by clicking on the border and shading buttons respectively and setting required types of border or a required shading color from the list of options that appear in the respective drop down menus. Now next student, next is your let's recall part. So number first step, formatting means beautifying the document and presenting it in an organized way. Then the font formatting includes those formatting features which are applied to individual text characters. Then we can change the type, size, style, color of the text character and give them special effects under font formatting. Then fourth student, under paragraph formatting we can change the paragraph alignments, line spacing, create bulleted and numbered list and give border and shading to the paragraph, etc. Then fifth, the border and shading dialog box contains all the options related to formatting a border and around text or filling a color in its backgrounds, and we can choose any formatting to the help of a look, beautifying the document and presenting it in an organized way. Okay students. Then next is student terms to learn. First is formatting, means the process of making a text look attractive and easy to read. Okay. Then font means the typeface in which letter typed from keyboard appear on the computer screen. So next, bulleted list means a list of items where each item is preceded by a bullet. Okay. Then numbered list means a list of items where each item is preceded by a number. Yes. Then shading. Shading means filling colors in the background of a text. Then border and edge of or boundary formed around a piece of text in a document. So student, we can choose any font, letters, and we can choose any bulleted list, numbered list, and to applying any formatting features to text look attractive and easy to read. And we can also apply the feature of shading and border also in MS Word. So student, this is a formatting means of a process of making a text look attractive and easy to read. So student, it means we can choose any features in MS Word to text look attractive and easy to read, and applied any font features, border shading and paragraph etc. to use in all this feature in MS Word. Okay students. So class 4th, your today's homework is write terms to learn in the notebook and do activity page number 62 do in your book.